Hello guys, I am so sorry for video quality because I think we record 360 degrees but it's been different mode. It's why this mistake coming. This video becomes a Maka village. We search old woman. She's so kind, so nice human. We help she. We buy 10 kilo rice and bring she house. And when we come house, we see have a lot of problem inside house. For example, when rain, all house start wet. Why? Because have a lot of hole on roof. A lot of hole. After 1 week, we planning come back and try fix maximum what we can, maximum what I can do for my budget. My budget is so low, and you know I'm not popular blogger. I not have income from YouTube, but I try my best and we try maximum what we can. Second problem it's tie beam. You know she have kahoy. It's three tie beam and inside a lot of anai. It's termites. So need change wood, change roof. I don't know how we do this, but I try my best. And every week I will plan help one people or one family. Any week we record video how we help people. It's regular plan. Philanthropy start and I hope if you help me, if we do together, we can help more people, more fast and more people and change this world for he be better and have little percent people who unhappy or zero. I don't know. Let's go do our best. Thank you so much for you together with me. Thank you so much for you look my channel. If you not subscribe right now. Put like and send comment where you from, what is country and maybe island. And if you have idea how we can help more people, send me please. We need your help also. So see you next video. This is Samaka. Don't forget. This is Samaka. Samaka village, 𝗬𝗢𝗨𝗟𝗣. We take 10 kilo rice and go give that help Lola. Lola. Lola.
Oi,
Kamusta?
Kamusta?
Calma. Lola, I hope I explain Mark what you do for balay. For what's the problem for balay have? Mark.
May problema daw sa mga malay. Ayaw daw ngayon. Sabat ko.
Oh, dali daw. Yung rope.
Oh,
Rope at kahoy.
basa?
Oh.
Always basa after one? Kasabot ay siya.
Tawan na, rutaan eh.
So, problema for rope. What more?
Rope of kahoy.
Ang tama daw. Kining kahoy po.
Oo.
Rope and
Anay?
Oh, ha?
Anay?
Oh.
Mini na daw.
Cotton.
So, need change kahoy and change
change all.
change all. Only this roof or all roof?
No.
Only this.
Only this?
Kanilang dapit sa dali.
Diri og katong dito kay mga daan na kani gibag mo na ako nang dito kani.
I see.
Yeah, sorry about that, bro. Sorry, just yeah.
I see.
Asher, can you teach us your dance steps? Like, can you teach us?
Tahan diri sa kusina. Ako punta ko. Ang alam mo, lupad na ako na nagbuto.
I'm vlog ya.
Ako yun. Very big.
Ya, kasama. Maria, so much. What more? This same problem, yep. What more, Lola?
Window. Oh.
Where window?
Window jump.
Okay, I will think how. It's all area need change or some area need change. Some problem area or all. What do you think, Mark?
Oh, kanilang sumpay, bro.
Huh?
Yung sumpay, di ba, ano?
Oh.
Dalhan, yeah, kasabot, but need all change or not? What do you think?
Dili lang
I
all.
think
This
this.
area is good.
Good man, good.
This area lang.
Okay.
Bad ang material. Yeah. Ang diri pod, kuan pod. Bad.
Yeah. Kasabot. I try to help. Of course, it's not barat because Dalhan. I don't know, but we do something. We update how many I don't know. I will see. How many?
Unsa kita sulan ni dong kaning atok
Sin?
niya, onsin.
12 na,
Otso, no?
12, 8.
12.
Mura
Sa
12.
8 no?
12.
12.
Sa dito.
12 na siya. Okay, kani jeans man.
Direct naman eh.
Lola, you have refrigerator?
Oh no, refrigerator.
Wala. Ako have is da, but dako is da isa tuna. How you do?
It's the tuna.
Ano sa isda.
No rip.
Okay. We come back after 2 weeks.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Not birthday. And yeah, we come back. Ako kasabot what you do. Come back. Bakhan tawa. Yeah. Right, Lola. Something. We go work.
Asa pa daw?
No, I just prepared with my
Tulo ba tulo? Madaan man
Kini
guni.
okay pa man siya.
Oh, gani ko mga daan nga sa dating balay man guni katong napalit na ko dire. Matong na kuan.
Gamay lang yung problema
Oh,
doon.
kani.
Dito lang.
Pagadto o. Pero sa kahoy, good pa man ang kahoy.
Buto ang kahoy.
Hey, spider. Spider. No.
Yung small spider.
No problem. Okay. So, Lola.
Okay. Thank you.
Balik.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Balik na may rin sa sumanan.
Very beautiful area. Nice. Something. Beautiful garden, Lola.
Malit niya itong one bulag na. Paano siya kani? Na prayer. Plan.
Sini?
Pagka para na niya, mga alas 6 na siya mga take you, take mo ba? Walang prayer. Plan.
Let's go. Lola, please.
So, Lola, see you. I'm being...